Assuming you're searching for Velo cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Velo will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Velo and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Velo is $0.0181 and Velo is at present positioned #346 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Velo is 7,390,475,595 with a market cap of $133,825,818. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 7.34% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Velo is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Velo is down to nearly 14.15% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have, however, we don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Look at the market capitalization of Velo and other top digital forms of money with our natural instrument. Perceive how the all-out worth of every cryptographic money's circling supply piles facing others and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 digital forms of money to look at their market cap and picture the outcomes. We anticipate future Velo cost expectations. Velo conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Velo. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Velo coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Velo market cap, Velo volume, and scarcely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Velo value expectation synopsis. There is potential for Velo cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $0.0379 toward the finish of 2025. Velo is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $0.2094 toward the finish of 2030. With the ongoing cost of $0.0181, Velo holds its ground on the lookout. Long-haul investigation recommends that Velo cost might actually flood to $18.07 by 2050. Experts project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $12.10 mark. Velo value forecast 2024. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Velo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.0216. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.0243 with the typical worth of $0.0225. Velo value forecast 2025. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.309. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.379 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.32. Velo value figure for 2026. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.0448 in 2026. The Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.0543 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0461 all through 2026. Velo value forecast 2027. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.0673 in 2027. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.079 with the typical cost of $0.0696 all through 2027. Velo value expectation 2028. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.0983 in 2028. The Velo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.1154 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.1011 all through 2028. Velo value forecast 2029. The cost of one Velo is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.1448 in 2029. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.1702 with a typical cost of $0.1498 all through 2029. Velo Value Expectation 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2030 the cost of Velo is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.2019. The Velo value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.2483, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.2094 in USD. Velo value figure 2031. Velo cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.3018 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.3554, with the typical figure cost of $0.3101. Velo value expectation 2032. Velo cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.4395 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.5141, with the typical gauge cost of $0.455. Velo value expectation 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2033 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.6429. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.7776, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.6611. Velo value conjecture 2040. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key systems for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Velo cost expectation, the year 2040 can end with a greatest cost of $12.10. While the base value worth of a Velo can be around $9.74, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $10.65 approximately. Velo value gauge for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Velo cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $15.46 and can reach as high as $18.07 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $16.28. Velo value conjecture facts. Is Velo a wise venture? Velo's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the most extreme exploration conceivable. What is the eventual fate of Velo? The eventual fate of Velo is exceptionally reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Velo, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still a phenomenal speculation for